balloon. Oh, she has to go for the one.
She's gonna put them all back together.
Oh, is that what she's gonna do? Oh, sugar. It was
I'm recording.
Look at this. Whoa!
Come away from the door, Lovey.
Hooray! Come over here.
Come by the. That's a girl. What have you got? What is that, Alessandra? Kaboom! Where are you going? Oh, look at her beautiful hat. Randy, that's
dragging them
beautiful.
over.
Oh, she's tangled up. Wait a second. Her foot is tangled.
Does she walk better with shoes on?
She works better holding a balloon, for
I think She
sure.
walks better with her bare feet.
Yeah.
It's better for her to walk in her bare feet anyway.
I think she does.
What you doing,
Say
Alessandra?
hello, Daddy. Look.
That's a great one.
What happened? Hooray!
Whoa.
Oh, the birthday girl has to wear her hat. Oh, look at that.
Hooray!
Randy, turn some of the
Look at
lights on,
Daddy.
honey.
Alessandra. Alessandra.
Yeah, that's perfect.